This eye look is such a vibe, especially against this mustard yellow top that I'm wearing. I need to switch this up and just look fancy. You have to get into this look. Hi tribe, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Garbie of Garbie'Signature. My channel, I create beautiful, amazing makeup looks, DIY tricks, styling and fashion tips. But today I'm going to be creating a makeup look, and if you think it's something you would like to know or you like to try out, keep watching. Notification gang, my commenters, you guys are the plug, my subscribers, my returning subscribers that drop comments, that share my videos. I love and appreciate you all sticking with me through thick and thin. Before we go into all of this, happy Palm Sunday, which was yesterday, but I'm so obsessed with how this look turned out. I didn't expect it to be this cute and sultry, but I love it. It's a vibe, it's different. It's like, I think I need to do more creative looks like this. To say I used the Juvia palette, guys, you're stepping on the palette. You know, once in a while we gotta switch it up, and I love the fact that I was able to switch up this look today. If you think it's something you like, let's just go right into it. As you can see, I'm done with my face, and the only thing that remains is my eyeshadow look. For today's look, I'm going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 04. I'm going to be using this to prime my eye base, and I'm going in like so. I'm just going to put it on my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it out using a fluffy blending brush. Why I'm doing this is because I want the eye to pop. I want it to be very glamorous, and I want it to also make sure that the color, you know, brightens as much as I want. Because I've done my skin work, I'm going to be very careful in the placement and in the blending. In all of the things I'm going to be doing, I'm going to make sure that it's going to be within my eye lid space, and I'm just going to keep blending this till I get the consistency that I want. This is a very easy peasy look to do. For my eyeshadow work, I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. It's called the Masquerade by Juvia's Place. Let me tell you one thing about Juvia's Place. You need their eyeshadow. They are the most pigmented eyeshadow right now in the world and in the market. It's super duper affordable, and they have popping, beautiful, amazing colors, and it's a black on brand. At the look, I'm going in with this shade. It's called Zulu, and I'm going to go next with Fulani. I'm using this shade Dahlia. That's the color I'm going for today. So I'm using these three shades, Zulu, Fulani and Dahlia, for my look today. Fine. Using Zulu, I'm going to start the transition, and I'm going like so. I'm just going in a smooth circular motion, and I'm slightly blending the two colors out so that it has like a transition effect. I'm doing the same thing over here. I'm going with Dahlia, and I'm just getting it on my eyelids. Wow, are you seeing this color? It's so pigmented. I feel like ever since I got this palette, I haven't really used it, or I've never used it. Wow, I've actually been sleeping on this. I can't believe this. Now I've gotten the blue color on my eyelids. I'm just going to go in with Fulani, and I'm going to smoke out the edges like so. First go in a dab motion. I'm patting it because I want to have a smoky feel on the outsides, and I'll blend it out. It's all going to come together. I'm just going to go in, put on my eyeliner, and come back with my eyelash, and I'm just going to be pretty done with the look. As you can see, this is such an easy peasy look. It's like going in and out. It's super fast. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I just put in my eyeliner, my mascara, and my eyelashes. Next, I'm just going to go with my lips. And for my lips, you know, as usual, I use the lip palette. I'm going to put all of this in the description box below, so don't worry. But this lip palette is like the dream. It literally gives me any lip color I want to achieve, so keep watching. And that's it with this look. It's the pop of blue for me. Like, this look is such a vibe. I love, love, love it. I actually love the outcome of this look. So different. It's sultry. It's, I don't know, I love it. For my lips today, I decided to go matte because it feels like it's so different. I feel like an Instagram baddie right now. And before we go right off this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, click the like button, drop your comments below, and let's all just stay fabulous. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye guys. It's the blue for me. It's the blue for me. Love it.